Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Croma 2-slice pop-up toaster. The model number for this particular toaster is CRAK6092. There's an image of the toaster right over here. This seems to be made out of plastic, has this round shape as well. This is a 2-slice toaster and over here it's written, "I am the one you want to take home, all the features at price you will love." So yeah, it is an 800 watt toaster. The net weight is 1.12 kilos, which is not much. Power cable length is 85 centimeters. Volume capacity is 0.5 liters. Anything else? There's some information here that's covered by the sticker. So yeah, it says bread centering feature, easy to clean crumb tray, automatic power off feature, includes a bun warmer and a safety cover lid attachment. We'll take a look at these things. Let's open this box and see. Right on the top we have a user instruction manual for this particular toaster. The model number, as I mentioned earlier, is CRAK6092. Power supply 230 volts to 50 Hz, which is pretty standard for most households. Let's see what else we have. So yeah, a lot of important information here, like safety information, and you have cleaning maintenance information. What else? Yeah, and also warranty. So it's an important document. You should keep this safe. Now let's take a look at the toaster itself. So this is it. This is what you find inside the inside this box. This is a bun warmer. This will go on top like so. And we also have and this is basically the cover for this toaster. You just put it up like so for when you don't want to use it. As I mentioned earlier, this is the bun warmer. The bun warmer goes in like so for when you want to keep the bread slices warm. And now let's take a look at the toaster itself. So there you go, this is what it looks like. It is made out of ABS plastic. It is pretty solidly built, by the way. It's super light, like I mentioned, barely a kilo in weight. It also comes with this white and blue color combination. This is the blue variant basically. There are 4 anti-slip rubber stops underneath as well. And yeah, there you go. This is where the bread slices will go in, and you'll notice this is good for one. Each of these gaps are good for 1 slice of bread, so a total of 2 slices of bread. And it goes in like so, and once you stop, it kind of stays here, and once it's done toasting, it will pop out. And over here there are control panels. There's a stop button additional, and then you have these for temperature control. Finally, you have a 85 centimeter long power cable. There's a thick PVC power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. And there it is. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Croma 2-slice toaster. Model number is CRAK6092. Thank you for watching.